What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to fix your ScriptHook and get all of your GTA 5 mod files up to date. We're going to be going over a few different methods on how to remove all your mods and get your mod folder updated into a place where you can start fresh and you can get all the files without your GTA crashing. Let's go. Alright, so you guys are going to want to join my Discord. The link is going to be in the description. In the Discord, there's going to be a channel with OpenIV files. In this channel, you're going to have every file you need for modding. Every file is going to be updated. We're going to have scripthookb.net, scripthookb, heap adjuster, pack file limit adjuster, game config, menyoo, lemon UI, head selector, and a rampage trainer. Alright, the number one way for getting rid of your mods, to get rid of them all and to start clean, is get the GTA V mod remove tool. It's going to be in the description. You're going to want to go to your local files. You're going to take this, drag it to the left side, open up OpenIV. This is after you remove all your mods, by the way. This is how you create a new mod folder. We're going to have the base GTA folder on the left side, OpenIV on the right. We're going to go to Tools. We're going to make sure that these ASI managers are installed. Once they're installed, you should see a mod folder in your OpenIV. We're going to open that mod folder. You're not going to see anything in your mod folder because you just started. We're going to go over to the GTA folder. We're going to take the Time64 and the update. We're going to copy them both and drag them over into the OpenIV mod folder. Make sure that you have edit mode on. You're going to drop them in there and your mod folder will be all set up and ready to go. After that, all you have to do is go to the Discord and get your files. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Enjoy.